What if you had a chance to win a free copy of my step-by-step courses on wholesaling houses and apartment buildings? Well, stand by. Let's get it. Hello, guys. This is Ty, aka the Flip Man. What if you had a chance to win my step-by-step courses on wholesaling houses and apartment buildings? Well, guess what? Here's your opportunity. I am going to give away 2 course packages for free. One course package is going to one of my YouTube subscribers and the other to one of my Instagram followers. If you're watching this on Instagram and don't have a YouTube account, get one. If you're watching this on YouTube and don't have an Instagram account, get one. They're free. So how can you win my step-by-step courses on wholesaling houses and apartment buildings? To enter on YouTube, you must be a subscriber to my YouTube channel and then like and comment on this particular video. To enter on Instagram, you must be a follower on my Instagram account. Then you must like and comment on this post. So how can you increase your chances of winning? On YouTube, share with friends and or family and instruct them to subscribe to my channel, comment, and like this video. On Instagram, tag 1 to 3 friends and or family and instruct them to follow me on Instagram and then comment and like this post. So to increase your chances even more, why not enter on YouTube and on Instagram? And of course, suggest that your family and friends do the same. Now, why do I keep bringing up family and friends? Because that gives you more entries. Nothing prevents you, family, and or friends from sharing the course that you win. So when and how will I announce the winners? I will announce the winners on my Thursday night Flippinars that are live on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. You should see the dates that they will be given away on this particular video and or post. So just to end this, you still can get my information free through my 300 plus videos on my YouTube channel. So get in it to win it, binge, grind, and stack. And I will see you on the flip side.